This is Ted. And this is his wife, Helen. 20 years ago, Ted and Helen began investing in commercial real estate. And now they have quite the portfolio. In today's world, maintaining real estate assets isn't getting any cheaper. And the cost of re-roofing, well, it's gone through the roof. Fortunately, Ted and Helen chose to protect their assets with a commercial roof management plan. A proactive roof management plan will increase the service life of a roof, decrease overall repair costs, maintain a roof's energy efficiency, optimize roof warranties, transfer liability risks, prioritize capital expenditures, and maintain a roof history. With a proactive roof management plan, Ted and Helen were able to maximize their investment returns and focus more on the things they've worked so hard for. If you're interested in taking better care of your commercial roof, call 720-724-6882.